Okay, hi guys, hi everyone. Thank you for coming. This is a big turnout. I'm really excited to go over some stuff with you. My name is Miss Nikki Jean, and we are going to go over how to work with your ancestors and a bunch more other things. Before we get into working with the ancestors, there's two big important factors we have to think about is, do we believe in an afterlife? Does everybody in here believe that something happens to us when we pass, or is it pretty much? Because if not, I mean, there's no problem, there's no judgment-free zone, but this probably isn't the work for you. You have to have a belief or faith that something happens to us when we pass. And then the second thing to think about is, what is your afterlife? Do you believe in heaven and hell? Do you believe that spirits just linger in the nature? Do you believe that everyone is enlightened and goes into a happy place? Or is there like a judgment call? It depends on the culture that you're from. Where I'm curious to think what some of you guys think. Do you guys believe in heaven and hell? Who believes in heaven and hell? That's what I want to know. Okay, so you believe there's a good judgment. Who doesn't know, but they just know that there's an afterlife? Okay. Do you believe that there's like a judgment factor when someone passes? If you were good in this life, you are going to have a happy life? Yeah.
Personally, I don't believe in basically like a judgment, but I do believe in like a life review. Basically like where you go through and your guide shows you your whole life and basically how you made other people feel as well as animals and things.
Okay.
That's just my
Okay. Yeah. Do you guys think that do you think people who are bad go to a bad place in the afterlife?
I like to kind of draw I'm not Catholic. I like the idea of purgatory and just like a use it in the darkness. And
do you think there's redemption in the afterlife if you were bad?
I hope there can be, but I bet not everybody accepts it or wants to go through it.
Okay.
I feel like they keep karmically going on to the same experience.
The same life. Yeah, also reincarnation. Do you guys believe in reincarnation? Okay. And these are important things to think about when connecting with your ancestors, because you're going to be connecting, like, where's your avenue? Are you going to hell to talk to them? Are you going to the spirit realm? Like, where are they and how you can communicate? Those are just seeds I'm going to plant because that's your avenue. For me personally, I grew up speaking to the dead. Is the first thing I've ever done, I would say, as a medium. We're going to talk about dead and death a lot, so hopefully everyone's comfortable with that. And I would just pray and talk. When my great aunt passed away when I was 8, I just talked to her all the time, and I felt like my version of afterlife is my ancestors are hovering over me in a cloud in castles, and when I need them, I light a candle like a Batman signal, and they come and help me. I have specific, they came out today. I'm moving, so otherwise I wasn't sure if I was going to bring my altar, but they were cool with it. It's actually a lot bigger, but these are people who I revere, and I trust in guiding me through this personal life right now. Okay, so who are your ancestors? There's 3 big ones: the blood ancestors, your DNA, your chosen ancestors. So those are people who, if you're adopted and you don't have a family and you have no way of getting that information, who are you going to go to? And then I call them inspirational ancestors, those who say you're a musician and you love, I don't know, Tom Petty just passed, so you can call on him to help you write music. And we're going to go over all of those.